works out. Let's eat.
Hi guys, long time no see. Welcome to Pardon My Pancakes. If you are new here, my name is Toria, and if there is an echo, that's because I'm in my kitchen. Yes. Okay, so today we are using my Ninja Storm to make hummus for the very first time. My Ninja Storm, I have the Ninja Storm 450 watt, 40 ounce food and drink maker with food processor, and I bought mine from HSN. It was under $40. I'll link it right down below, and I got the color aqua. So what comes with it is the top. So the top, basically it screws on, and this little press motion thing here is how you use the processor. And then you have the lid here. It just came out the wash. The lid here, basically it has like a pour spout so you can add things in, and you basically just sit it on top. You hook that onto it, and that's how it goes. So here we have our pitcher, or our base, like our cup. And unlike normal blenders and things like that, it's not something that you have to screw on this to get into. It basically just sits on the table, I see. And then this blade goes in there like that. Then the lid goes on top like that. And then you put this on here, and that's how it works. Amazing, right? Right. Okay. So I've used my Ninja Storm one time, and that was just to chop onions because I wanted them very finely chopped, and it did miracles. I plan on using it a lot more, but today we're making hummus. I love hummus. I love hummus on my toast, hummus with my carrots, hummus with my chips, hummus on my bagels. Have you ever dug out the center? Like open the bagel, dug out the center, and then toasted it, and then put the hummus inside there with some like feta cheese on top. So good. But I don't have bagels today, so I can't make that. But we are going to make the hummus. So the hummus recipe that we're using is a hummus recipe without tahini, because I really wanted to use this toasted sesame oil. If you don't have this for like your Chinese food recipes, Japanese food recipes, you really need to get it. This will kick it up like a whole notch. Okay, so for the recipe, it calls for 2 cans of garbanzo beans or chickpeas, and what you do is you separate the liquid. So you drain out the liquid and you hold it. So we're just dumping the garbanzo beans in. These ones are from Target. They kind of smell like cat food. Then it calls for 2 large garlic cloves. I have minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon is 2 cloves. So I'll do like a teaspoon and some change, because you know your girl loves her garlic. Heaping amount of garlic. Maybe a little bit more, because who doesn't love garlic? All right, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. So I have my lemon here. It smells so good. Now we're gonna take our lemons and we're gonna juice them. All right, so we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons. Okay. So we have our half tablespoon here. We're gonna do 4 of these just to start with. So we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in here. This is what it looks like so far. 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I have my smoked paprika. So if you couldn't tell, we're basically just adding everything into here. Next is going to be the smoked paprika here. This is McCormick's smoked paprika. And we need 1/2 teaspoon. So I have my 1/2 teaspoon here. Okay, let's see. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. Here's my cumin. We need our 1/4 teaspoon. So we have our Great Value Walmart ground cumin. Just going to put it in. This is like, I feel like my childhood right here, ground cumin. We always had ground cumin in everything. So the last thing we do before starting it is we're gonna add 1/4 cup of bean juice here. So, and then you add more depending on the consistency that you want. So let's go ahead and put this all together. I think by looking at it, we're definitely going to need a little bit more bean juice. So we're just going to pop it open. We're gonna add 1 more 1/4 cup. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Let's take off the lid. This is where we are so far. There's still some beans that need to be broken down. Salt and pepper to taste. And then I have my sesame oil. So this is the way, normally it calls for olive oil to give it like a little bit of a blended, like creamier type taste. So now we're gonna put some of our toasted sesame in here. Let's take a look and see where we are. When I tell you this Ninja is so easy to use, I'm not lying. It's definitely getting thicker. It smells so good because of that toasted sesame. That toasted sesame, oh my God, it makes everything taste better or smell better. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little taste. That definitely is hummus. I needed a little bit more creamier. I'm gonna throw a little bit of olive oil. But right here, we have Bertolli's extra virgin olive oil. I'm just gonna drizzle some in. That right there. Okay guys, I think it's done. Yes, look at that creaminess there. This is exactly what I wanted for the hummus, was it to be this creamy. You can see it. Look at that. It's like a light color now. Let me grab a bowl and we'll place it. Okay guys, so we have our container, our Pyrex with the airtight lid. And I'm just going to scoop it into here as best as I can. Our bowl here, look at this color, guys. It is such a pretty, like, pastel orangey color. It's probably from the smoked paprika and whatnot. You know, if you're making it at home, you technically do not need all of the things that I added to mine. As long as you have lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, garbanzo beans, maybe salt and pepper to taste, you're good. But now we're gonna add some crushed red peppers just on top. I like to pour them in here and then take like a pinch and just sprinkle them on just a little. You don't want to overpower your hummus. And then we have our plate of carrot chips to serve it with. So let's go ahead and take a taste. All right, guys, here we go. Mmm. That tastes like some gourmet. Oh, I got that chili pepper. Whew. Got one in my throat. That tastes like some gourmet hummus that you would get like at like a restaurant, like with one of the platters. Let's do it again. Ready? My hummus shirt brought me good luck. These t-shirts that I get are gonna bring me good luck for all the recipes that we do on this channel. Westy, you can't have hummus, I'm sorry. Okay guys, so I know we've been gone for some time, but we're back. Things look a little different because we're not out eating and trying new places. We're gonna be trying things here, trying recipes, trying gadgets, maybe doing both at the same time. Don't drop your hummus like now. We'll see. But this food channel is gonna be different, making all kinds of stuff at home. Yes. Welcome to our kitchen. I'm so excited for what's to come on this channel. I hope y'all are excited just like me. Go ahead and hit subscribe and like, and let me know what kind of recipes you want to see here on the channel. And I will see you guys next week in a whole new video because we're back, Pancakes! All right, guys.
Bye-bye!